Now, in our case, we don't really have a great reason to use the after. The before makes sense, but after doesn't really make a lot of sense. We don't need to force this. A lot of times you're going to find that you're going to use before a lot more than you'll use after. But let's just take a look at what after looks like. We'll just go ahead and create a method, and traditionally we call this tear down, but you can call it whatever you want. And all I'm going to do here is just going to put system.out.println, and then I'm just going to say after. Now, if you're using some type of native resource, or you're locking something up, or in an integration test, perhaps you're doing something to a database and you want to roll back afterwards, then you might want to use this teardown to do something substantial. But in many cases, for unit tests, I found the after isn't used quite as often as before. But let's go ahead and run this just to see what this will look like. We'll run all of our tests. And you can see before, after, before, after, before, after, which indicates that this before is happening before each test is run, the test is running, then the after is running.